Guys, welcome back to another video with Callmejessyy. Those who don't know me, my name is Sandra, aka Callmejessyy, and if you're new here, hello and welcome here, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon and also the thumbs up and the subscribe button if you're new here. And those who have been watching me and following me since day one, welcome and thanks for tuning in. So today we're gonna do this beautiful rich moist chocolate cake. It was so beautiful. Oh, who doesn't love a chocolate? Oh, I love chocolate cake. It was so beautiful, it was so rich and so nice and moist. I don't know, I'm just dreaming about it again. So if you're wondering what are these are earbuds, and if you don't know why am I using this, obviously you wouldn't know because some of you guys did tell me that the audio quality on my previous video was a bit low, like it wasn't as audible, so I thought of like putting these on and trying before investing in a mic. Just thought I'd give it a try. So yeah, so without further ado, let's indulge in some chocolate, shall we? So guys, we're taking all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl and gonna mix them with all the wet ingredients. So here I'm using the pre-sifted flour. Of course you can take the plain flour and then sift it. So I'm going to add all the dry ingredients in a bowl and then add them on to the wet ingredients. So keep watching. So here now we're going to add all the wet ingredients and whisk them, beat them. Whisk, whisk, baby. So until you get some nice frothy mixture, and then add them on to the dry ingredients. Don't worry if the mixture is not really like mixed properly, because once you add hot water the consistency is going to be really thin, so don't worry about the consistency of the batter. It's going to be really thin and fine, and you're just going to see how it is. So yeah, don't worry about how the batter is going to look like, and it won't have any lumps, anything, so just keep watching. So now it's time to put the batter, guys, and over here I'm taking two separate tin. I mean, one is a tray and one is a loaf tin, however you would like to say it, a loaf baking tray. That's it. So I'm just spraying it over here, but you can butter it, grease it with a bit of butter, and I've taken two separate because I've baked this for one of my friends, saying that I'll miss her, and I'll put a small video for you guys to see how it actually turned. I used sugar powder to just write her name, saying that I'll miss her as well. So yeah, and now it's time to bake.
So now since my cake is baked, make sure you put a toothpick in the middle of the cake and check if the toothpick comes out clean. Of course, if it doesn't have any batter, that means it's cooked. And make sure you keep it to cool it down for nearly 15 to 20 minutes or until it's cool. Don't get it out too quick because you might end up with a hole, just like how I did. So just to make it more delicious, I had melted a full Cadbury milk chocolate and with a bit of milk. And so also having this I also added a bit of condensed milk just to have this beautiful marble on top, marble effect on top. So this is how it looks, and it was so delicious. I tell you guys, it was one of the best cake which I have ever made, and it is also perfect for birthday. So you can literally put it up in a cake tin, in a round cake tin, so it would be perfect for birthdays as well. It was so moist and fudgy, and it will also keep well for 4 to 5 days, and it would be good for a serving of 12. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful chocolate recipe.
If you have come this far, thank you so much for watching the entire recipe. If you do try it, give it a shout out to me on my Instagram, which is my handle, Callmejessyy. I'll put it down somewhere. And if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that big red button which you see down of the video. And if you haven't shared it yet, please go ahead and share it so your family and friends would be able to try it as well. And don't go anywhere, stay tuned for some more videos coming up. See you guys, hasta la vista.